In this video, I'm going to show you 3 altcoins you can pick for the next bull market if you are interested in crypto exchanges, decentralized crypto exchanges where you can trade perpetuals, you can swap tokens and basically do all kind of stuff. Those tokens associated with those exchanges are generating fees based on the fees from the users using the platform. So most of the time, those exchanges are taking these fees and rebuying the tokens with them, doing some kind of burning. So usually the price action of the tokens is pretty nice. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm just showing them for the educational purposes. So always do your research, never invest more that you can afford to lose. Let's get started. I'm going to start with GMX. GMX is definitely my favorite. I'm using it also myself to trade because it's super easy to short or long different coins. Really great platform as well. And they have associated token. The token action, however, is really nice if you've invested already. It's probably hard to get it right now because right now it's already rose from the last year of September from around $20 to $52. So I would wait a little bit if you don't have the token. It's currently ranked number 78. They're really doing great things on the platform, but the price right now is pretty high. So definitely put it on your watch list if you're interested in decentralized exchanges. Maybe use the platform yourself, but wait with the token if you want to buy. If you want to buy more, because it already rose 2.5x in a pretty short period of time, especially in the bear market. You know, from in June it was around $15. It rose to $50, so over 3x from the bottom at the peak of the bear market. So I would wait here and see what will happen next. It's really hard to say anything, but the company itself, GMX, what they're doing, I really like the whole spirit, so that's super interesting. Another exchange that I wanted to mention is dYdX. Also super cool, powered by Starkware, trading for free, basically no fees. Really cool to use as well, really easy also to short, long, whatever you like, and they have an associated token. So if you look at the token right now, it's ranked 172 at the price of $1.61, and basically it went significantly down from the top. The top was in September, November 2021. The peak was close to $25, basically, let's say 25. It started also just last year, so it's pretty new. So $25 went down to 161, which is more than 90%. Which means that there's more than 10x to the top. Actually, there's something like 15x to the top if it were ever to regain its ATH value. Of course, it's never guaranteed, so you shouldn't look at the ATH. However, there's a lot of potential of that coin going up if there are more people using the platform. However, you have to look at the circulating supply and the total supply. It's only 7% right now, so there's more tokens on the market. So again, put it on your watch list. Maybe look for points of entry at some point if it falls down, looking at the bear market, how it will go forward. But really interesting exchange itself. I would really recommend to you at least use the exchange itself and see how it is to trade on a decentralized platform, because this is really great. Okay, next on the list we have Synthetix, and Synthetix IO is something different. It's not an exchange itself, but it provides synthetic assets, and those are easy to build upon, and this is what people are doing. So even though Synthetix itself does not have an exchange for the future, for the futures, it's powering a couple of exchanges. So for example, Kwenta. Kwenta does not have a token yet. So it's also interesting to maybe use right now if you're interested. Again, on Kwenta you can, it's built on optimism. You can use Kwenta. Actually, there's an optimism quest for using Kwenta to get a free NFT if you're interested in that kind of stuff. But Kwenta is great for shorting, longing. Everything is built on optimism, so the fees are low, everything is super fast, and you can take up to 25 leverage. So again, there's a bunch of other platforms also built on Synthetix that are using Synthetix to do something cool. and there's a token for Synthetix. Right now it's ranked 73 at the price of 1.99. And you can see the total price action. So at the top of the top, it was last year, beginning of the last year, it was $27. Right now it's $1.99. So again, over $90. It went down by 90%. Over 90% went down. So it has more than 10x to attain its ATH. Really interesting. Again, as you can look at the supply, it's 81% of the total supply. Again, do your own research. Synthetix is really great because it connects this infrastructure place that I was talking about in my previous video about infrastructure tokens, but also on top of that you have these exchanges, which are great businesses because they are generating fees from the users, so you know where the revenue is coming from. And in those kind of cases, if you know where the revenue is coming from, you can expect that maybe there will be some kind of price action because the team will use the fees generated from the business to, for example, buy back the tokens or maybe do some other incentives to promote the tokens they have already on the market. So that's what I'm looking for in those kind of coins. Of course, it all depends on the roadmap. Nothing is guaranteed, not even on GMX or dYdX. Even if the exchanges are doing great, it's not guaranteed that the respective tokens will be doing great as well. Especially that I think dYdX has the token that is a governance token, so it's not directly related to the exchange. However, they probably will be doing some kind of a buybacks, which is pretty customary here in the field of the tokens related to exchanges. So pretty interesting to look at. So altogether, 3 tokens, 3 altcoins that I mentioned: GMX, dYdX, and Synthetix. All the links will be down below, so if you're interested in following the story and learning more about the tokens, about the exchanges using the protocols, check it down below and subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates on altcoins, airdrops, and much more. See you in the next video.